right, so what I'm wearing over here is the AI Pin. The AI Pin is a new type of computer where you just communicate with it naturally. You don't do apps, you don't have to worry about siloed applications. You just talk to it very naturally and it goes off and does things for you. So I'll give you a very simple example. We're in Barcelona right now at Mobile World Congress. So I can say, how many people attend Mobile World Congress in Barcelona? And it's going to go.
Searching for attendance.
It's going to go search.
Mobile World Congress in Barcelona attracts over 100,000 attendees annually.
See, I didn't have to, pull out my phone and open a browser and type it in. And I just asked it and very quickly went, searched for the information and came back. And it's aware of my context. So I'm from the States. I'm going to have trouble with some of the currency. So I can say, how much is $50 over here? So I never specified euros.
Calculating.
I never specified US dollars, but it just knows that about me, and it's going to come back with a currency conversion.
US dollars is equivalent to 46 euros and 15 cents euros.
And I can take that information and I can just manipulate it, right? So let's say, translate that into Hindi. So I can go, it's going to go, and it's going to translate that into Hindi. So
translating.
It'll come back with a translation.
50 अमेरिकी डॉलर 46 यूरो 15 सेंट यूरो के बराबर है.
Yeah, just a very quick translation. And now we can, have a back and forth conversation with someone who speaks Hindi. I can speak English, it'll reply in Hindi. Someone can speak in Hindi, it'll reply back in English. And then for the times when I can't use my voice, there's a laser ink display. So I can, laser in. And it shows, what was the most relevant information. So it's projecting the Hindi onto my hand, but I can also, go home and I can, interact with it. So this is our gesture to select different things. You tilt your hand to change focus on different elements. The explore gesture is a way to, it's where you push back and you're able to just explore more. So you can see what else the AI Pin can do. And you can, select things. You can have it take a photo. You can have it play music. And the AI Pin is a standalone device. So when you purchase it, you're also purchasing a cellular plan with us. So with that, you get your own number and a cellular plan. So you can send messages from this. You can make and receive phone calls from this. And there's a lot that it can do, and it's a lot that it can do still that we're working on. And it's, that is very quickly what the AI Pin is.
So the speaker was quite powerful. So where's the speaker? Inside this?
Yeah. So I'm gonna answer your question by saying that the AI Pin has a speaker, but because we are in an exceptionally loud environment, the whole time it's been connected to Bluetooth and it's been connected to a separate Bluetooth speaker inside of me. But that goes to show that if you're in places where you want to use your headphones, you can connect your headphones via Bluetooth. You don't have to worry about it. But obviously the speaker itself, our Personic speaker, it's designed in a way where you can hear it very clearly, and if you're standing there, you may not hear it as well, which is totally fine. You don't want to disturb your environment with other people. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much.